about taking a little journey around the perimeter of the zoo. I ask that you please remain seated. Keep your arms and legs inside the train at all times. We'll stop and visit with some of the animals that we come across. And with that said, only one last thing to say. All aboard.
All aboard. Hello.
The Toco toucans in the aviary right across the street from us. This toucan is from Brazil. There's 40 different varieties of toucans. With that beautiful yellow and orange beak, they will attract a mate. They'll eat nuts and berries and Fruit Loops. This pathway coming up to our right will lead you to a family of otters. They're a lot of fun when swimming in their pool. If you haven't paid them a visit yet, your honor. And surrounding the Ridley Tree Restaurant is Swan Lake, home to our two black-feathered swans, Shadow and Nina. They're native to Australia, considered to be the largest species of swan in the world. The only one with red feet and red beak. Backside of the zoo, only the passengers on the train will see this portion of the zoo, the shipping and the receiving and the events office. We do have the zoo kitchen back here underneath the blue awning. Each and every day up to 260 special dietary meals are prepared in this kitchen for the animals here in the zoo. And some of the delicious menu items include crickets and ants and fish and vegetation and raw meat. Those 260 meals per day add up to over 100,000 meals during the course of a year. The zoo is open 365 days a year.
Yeah? You don't want Christmas?
We're past the animal health clinic where the animals receive the best of health care. This lab, dental labs even included in this health clinic.